A very good morning to all of you. Let's start chapter number 5, Mother's Day, from the book Snapshot. And today we'll start the chapter from page number 36. And I would like to tell you about the previous play situation. That in previous play, this play was written to discuss about the problematic conditions of a family. And here is the issue that the members are the important figures of the family, and there is no place of a female member, that means a mother. So here the two neighbors, Mrs. Fitzgerald and Mrs. Pearson, they exchange their personality, and Mrs. Fitzgerald is in Mrs. Pearson body and Mrs. Pearson goes to Mrs. Fitzgerald's house. This is they are trying to do. Let's read if they are succeeded or not. Mrs. Fitzgerald, it's your only chance. Give me your hands and keep quiet a minute. Just don't think about anything. Taking her hands, now look at me. They stare at each other, muttering Ashtadam, Ashtadlam, Ashtalamdambana. Here, Mrs. Fitzgerald is holding Mrs. Pearson's hand in these lines, and she's trying to convert their souls, or she's trying to convert their souls through that. They will exchange the personalities here. So this is her main motive, so that Mrs. Pearson will get respect in her family, and this is her mantra. So, and Mrs. Fitzgerald is saying that here in these lines that Mrs. Pearson, this is your only chance for her to get your own position. This little scene should be acted very carefully. We are to assume that the personalities change bodies. After the spell has been spoken, both women sting grasping hands go lax as if the life were out of them. Then both came to life, but with personality of the other. Each must try to adopt the voice and mannerism of the other. So now Pearson is bold and dominating, and Mrs. Fitzgerald is nervous and fluttering. So here, the narrator of the play, he is trying to explain us that through this act or through this action, we can assume that Mrs. Pearson's and both the ladies will change their personality. Even their voice will also change through this, and their behavior is also changed. So, after this procedure, Mrs. Pearson is a bold and dominating lady, and Mrs. Fitzgerald, she is on Mrs. Pearson's personality, so she performs the role of a nervous and fluttering lady. Mrs. Pearson, now with Mrs. Fitzgerald personality. See what I mean, dear. She notices the cigarettes. Here Mrs. Pearson कहती हैं कि ये मैं तुमसे कहना चाहती थी. वो सिगरेट्स की तरफ देखते हैं. Have you don't want that? क्या तुम्हें सिगरेट्स नहीं चाहिए? She snatches it and put it in her own mouth, puffing. Here Mrs. Pearson, she snatched a cigarette from the hand of Mrs. Fitzgerald because the personalities are changed. That is why she is behaving like Mrs. Fitzgerald, and she started smoking. Mrs. Fitzgerald, now with Mrs. Pearson's personality, looked down of herself at herself and sees that her body has changed and give a scream of fright. Here, Fitzgerald now with Mrs. Pearson's personality, because personalities are exchanged, so looks down at herself, दोनों अपने आप को देखती हैं, and sees that her body has changed and give a scream of fright. And both of them are seeing at each other, and after Mrs. Fitzgerald see that her body is the same, only the voices or only the personalities are changed, she screams a bit. Mrs. Fitzgerald with Mrs. Pearson's personality. Oh, it is happened. Here Mrs. Fitzgerald, she feels very happy that, oh, जो मैं चाह रही थी, that exactly happens. Mrs. Pearson complacently, of course it is happened, very neat, didn't know I had it in me. Then here complacently means बहुत ज़्यादा वो सेटिस्फाई हो जाती है मिसेस पियर्सन. सो शी इज़ सेटिस्फाइड मिसेस विथ मिसेस फिजरल्स पर्सनैलिटी एंड शी इज़ सेइंग दैट कि हाँ ये हो गया है एंड आई डोंट नो आई हैड इट इन मी, और मुझे पता भी नहीं चला जैसे ये मेरे पास आपकी जो पर्सनैलिटी है वो आ गई है. Fitzgerald alarmed, but whatever shall I do, Mrs. Fitzgerald, George and children can't see me like this. And here Mrs. Fitzgerald जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा सरप्राइज हो जाती हैं. सो शी इज़ सेइंग बट व्हाट शुड आई डू, जॉर्ज और बच्चे मुझे इस रूम में स्वीकार नहीं करेंगे. अभी पर्सनैलिटीज़ चेंज हो गई हैं, तो वो कह रही है कि मैं जो हूँ मेरी पर्सनैलिटी बदल गई है, मिसेस फिजरल्ड मेरे अंदर है, तो मेरे बच्चे और जॉर्ज मुझे कैसे एक्सेप्ट करेंगे. मिसेस पियर्सन देन grimly means she's some with some serious kind of a note. They are not going to that point. They will have me to deal with, only they won't know it. Then Mrs. Pearson is giving reply that वो तुम्हें पहचान नहीं पाएंगे. This is the speciality of this personality exchange trick, that nobody will recognize you. Only जो तुमको अब मैंने कहा है how to behave with them, only you have to do that. Mrs. Fitzgerald, still alarmed, but what if we can't change back? It would be terrible. Then Mrs. Fitzgerald is saying कि अगर हम इसको वापस बदल नहीं पाए, then it would be a problematic or a terrible situation for us. Mrs. Pearson, here steady. Mrs. Pearson, if you had to live my life, it would be so bad. You do have more fun as me than you have had as you. Here study Mrs. Pearson. पियर्सन जो है वो दूसरी पियर्सन से कह रही हैं या फिजरल से कह रही हैं दैट अगर आपको मेरी लाइफ जीनी पड़े या मेरी लाइफ को आपको आगे कंटिन्यू करना पड़ेगा तो ज़्यादा बुरा नहीं होगा, लेकिन तुम मेरे ये जो पर्सनैलिटी एक्सचेंज मेथड है इससे तुम्हें ज़्यादा इन्जॉयमेंट मिलेगा. एंड उससे भी ज़्यादा बात ये है कि जितना तुम इस रूप में या इस पर्सनैलिटी एक्सचेंज मेथड में आ रही हो, दैट इज़ यू हैव हैड एज यू. मिसेस फिजरल्ड, येस बट आई डोंट वांट टू बी एनीबडी एल्स. तो मिसेस फिजरल्ड कहती है लेकिन मैं किसी दूसरे रूप में नहीं रहना चाहती. मिसेस पियर्सन, don't worry. So Mrs. Pearson is giving reply, now stop worrying, it is easier exchanging. Mrs. Pearson कहती हैं नाउ अब तुम इस बारे में सोचना छोड़ो, ये एक्सचेंजिंग मेथड इज़ वेरी इजी मेथड. वी कैन एक्सचेंज इट आफ्टर सम टाइम बैक. आई कैन डू इट एनी टाइम वी वांट. जब भी तुम चाहो हम वापस इस प्रोसीजर को एक्सचेंज करके हम वापस अपनी पर्सनैलिटीज़ एक्सचेंज करेंगे. फिजरल्ड, वेल डू इट नाउ. देन फिजरल्ड सेइंग, तो इस ठीक है, यू कैन डू दिस प्रोसेस now. Move on to next page. Mrs. Pearson, not likely. I have got to deal with your family. First, that's the idea, isn't it? Didn't know how to begin with them. You said, well, I will show you. Fitzgerald, but what am I going to do? Here, not likely I have to deal with your family. Here Mrs. Pearson is saying that it is not possible for her. Not likely here means not possible for her to deal with your family first. And that's the idea. This is her idea, isn't it? क्या तुम्हें ये सही नहीं लग रहा है? Didn't know हाउ टू बिगिन विथ यू देम. मुझे नहीं पता कि मैं उनके साथ कैसे स्टार्ट करूँगी. यू सेड, वेल आई विल शो यू. देन मिसेस फिजरल जो हैं वो उन्हें मिसेस पियर्सन जो हैं वो उन्हें बताती हैं, ओके आई विल शो यू हाउ टू डील विथ योर फैमिली मेम्बर्स. मिसेस फिजरल, बट वॉट एम आई गोइंग टू डू. बट लेकिन अब मैं क्या करूँ. पियर्सन, गो इन टू माई हाउस फॉर अ बिट, देयर इज़ नो बडी देयर. then pop back and see how we're doing. You ought to enjoy it. Better get off now before one of them comes. Then Mrs. Pearson is saying, for a moment or for some time just go to my house. वहाँ पर कोई नहीं है. उसके बाद तुम वापस आ जाना एंड देखना कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं. एंड यू विल श्योरली इन्जॉय. तुम्हारे फैमिली मेम्बर्स में से कोई आए उससे पहले तुम वहाँ एक बार जाकर हो आओ. This is the only best things. Mrs. Fitzgerald nervously rising. Yes, I suppose that best. You are sure it will be all right. Here Mrs. Fitzgerald is saying that, and she is not happy actually. So she's saying, okay, मैं वहाँ जाती हूँ, यही सबसे अच्छा होगा. And if you are faithing that everything will be all right, then okay, it will be all right. Mrs. Pearson, chucking, I will be wonderful now. Off you go, dear. And here Mrs. Pearson जो है वो थोड़ा सा chuckling means अपने दांतों से दबी हंसी जो है, अपने मुंह से जो है दबी हंसी हंसती हैं. एंड शी इज सेइंग कि ये सब कुछ बहुत ही सरप्राइजिंगली है, वंडरफुल है. नाउ ऑफ यू गो डियर. अब तुम वहाँ जाओ. मिसेस फिट्जजेराल्ड crosses and hurries out through the door. Right, left to herself, Mrs. Pearson smokes away, lighting another cigarette, and begins laying out the cards for patience on the table. After a few moments, Doris Pearson's come busting in left. She is a pretty girl in her early 20s, would be pleasant enough if she had not been spoiled. So here Mrs. फिजरल जो हैं वो दूसरी तरफ से चली जाती हैं और बाहर निकल जाती हैं. एंड देन मिसेस पियर्सन जो है वो सिगरेट पीती रहती हैं. शी अगेंस्ट लिट अप द अनदर वन सिगरेट एंड टेबल पे जो कार्ड होते हैं उनको पूरी तरह स्प्रेड कर देती है. एंड आफ्टर सम टाइम Mrs. Pearson's daughter, her name is Doris Pearson, so she comes inside the house and she is like a 20 or 22, 20, between 20 to 23. She is her age is between 20 to 23 and she is a nice girl, but अगर उससे spoil नहीं किया जाता तो she will be nice. Doris, before she has taken anything in, Mum, you will have to iron my yellow silk. I must wear it tonight. She now sees what is happening and is astounded. What are you doing? And Doris जब एंटर होती है तो वो अपनी मदर से पूछती है, या इससे पहले कि वो कुछ और ज़्यादा जान पाती, then she asked her mother to please iron her yellow silk dress because she wants to wear that dress on the same night or tonight. So she now sees what is happening and then she'll look here and there and she is trying to understand that what is going on around there, and she is astounded. Here astounded means she is like surprised. What are you doing? Then she asked with her mother कि आप क्या कर रही हैं. She moves down left center और फिर वो लेफ्ट में सेंटर की तरफ देखती है. Here Mrs. Pearson now uses her ordinary voice, but her manner is not fluttering. Mrs. Pearson की आवाज़ वही है, but उसकी जो वॉइस है वो फ्लटर नहीं कर रही है. And apologetic but cool and incisive. इसके अलावा उसकी वॉइस जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा कूल एंड इंसिसिव है. एंड एट द सेम टाइम शी वॉन्ट लुक लाइक जैसे उसे कोई सरप्राइज या कोई फियर या कोई ऐसा कुछ माइंड में है.